Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Well, this is the third day in the new shop, and let me give you a tour of what I've done so far. As you can see, it's coming along. I've sold this beam and the table, but you can actually get in here now. There's the air, one of the air compressors, another air compressor, sandblaster, and as you can see, there is a light. I found a light bulb in here, but I'm going to have other lights put in. But yeah, this is the stuff the guy left. So, and all this metal. There's more metal under there. Either skateboard or roller skate wheels, brand new. So some more metal. Yeah, this side's a little bit darker, but today is my day off from my normal job, so I decided to come and work here because I have until the 28th to get this. But once I get this out of here and this table, and it turns out, which I didn't notice at first, but when I put my other shelves in here, my other shelves are going to stick out to about here. About 1.5 feet, or about 1.5 feet, almost 2 feet. So from there, and then over here, I'm going to put another shelf 2 feet. This unit is actually wider than the other one by maybe 3 feet, 4 feet. So this is going to work out. So I've been thinking, how am I going to do this? I don't think that will fit right where I want it to go. So I'm thinking right here along this rail, this is where I'm going to stick my pallets, 2 rows. And then I'm going to go upwards. Okay, and the higher I go, I can just easily just climb the stairs and set them up there. But and then, so my plan is to take that after this shelf is in and put it going this way, so I'll have a small area to walk through. Because my other shelf should end right about here, the double one. That's about right here is about 16 feet, which the shelves are 8. So, but since I do have an upstairs now, as you can, let's just go up. I put these sawhorses up. These are routing tables or whatever they call them. Those are going to be. And then I got this thing. Oops. It's called a diaper genie. those are pretty expensive, and you guys already know about that. That'll go downstairs. I got my rims up here. I'm gonna throw these two mattresses out. These mattresses right here I'm gonna try to sell because they look in really good condition, but they've been in storage for I think 2.5 years. So, but yeah, I've done a lot of work, and at a later date I might put shelves up here. Try to find some really tall ones and stick it right there, but that won't be. Now the only thing is yeah, the other shelves will be kind of in front of the stairs a little bit, but I'll still have enough room to get through. And then these right here are going to be for my videotapes, or CDs and videotapes, and that's going to go up there. That table, I should have showed you this while I was upstairs, but I'm going to sell that. I'm going to sell this metal futon. In a little while I'll take it outside and take a picture of it and put it up on Facebook Marketplace. Safe's right there, right behind the broom. This stuff is going to go back alongside the stairs, out of the way. As far as this grill, you know, that is actually a heater. It works. So this grill, it could use some TLC as far as, you know, maybe painting it, but supposedly it still works. So I don't know, but yeah. But today I am going to move some of this stuff out. This was something else I found. A lady's jacket. It's purple. It needs a washing, and it's I'll put this up here. That'll be the next thing I show you. It's been sitting in here. Ladies 14, Northern Lights. You know, but it's a nice jacket. It just needs to be washed. Just needs to be washed. Don't know what that. Oh, it's like to make it tighter around the waist, I believe. But yeah. So I got a little bit of work to do today. I'm kind of hoping that by 1 o'clock this beam and this table will be gone. And I got some more stuff right here that I have to throw out. But yeah, it hasn't been that bad of a day so far. I just got here, so a Christmas tree that I got from the other unit, a heater with no plug. So I'll probably just scrap that, see what's in it, but that'll probably be another video. AC unit I got to take apart. But yeah, and then I got these things. I got 2 of them. This I'm going to probably since it's a little bit more sturdy, I'll probably put my vise on this one. Don't know. And then this one right here, I moved under here. This is going to be my grinder. So that's going to be there. I'm getting rid of this shelf today and this shelf today. So I'm going to move everything up. I'm moving that over because that's where my, that table is where my saw is going to go. And then I'm going to take that bottom shelf off, and that's right where my wire stripper is going to go. And then I will have my drill press right here, my wood carving section right here, and then this right here is where I'm going to be taking everything apart. So, but unfortunately, I have to clear everything off the table. So that means I have to go through it. So there's a ton of